Dude, turn the county scanner on, brother.
Hold on, okay.
Fuck!
Oh, man.
No!
Where's the fucking green light?
Come on, man. All right, we got the Opticom. Here we go. Baltimore County, boys. Baltimore motherfucking County.
We need an address.
Engine 5, dude. Baltimore County's going to a blaze. We need an address. We heard Violetville or somebody's siren going. See if we can follow these bitches in. If anyone's in Baltimore County, send us the address. Come on.
Yeah.
Turn the scanner on.
Working on it, man.
No shit, here comes a truck.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh shit!
So slow.
Oh my god, they suck.
They're so slow, guys.
Here comes a truck, boys, I promise. They're driving like 2 miles per hour. You see the engine? Try to watch the truck. I don't know where to go, dude.
Hold on.
Fuck, dude, red light.
They had to go. Well,
Where'd they go?
maybe they went right. They went right. They had to go right.
Come on, you asshole! Jesus fucking Christ! Should we stay right here? Not commit?
Yeah, don't commit. Let them go around you.
Dude, this is fucking it, dude. 5 motherfucking trucks, son! Where is it?
I have no idea what the sign is.
Oh shit! Rudder ray! Oh yeah! Oh! Oh shit! Oh, you're getting fucked! Oh, go get him, brother! Woo! Fuck yeah! Oh, that guy, the tillerman was smiling. Oh, shit. Oh, get some. Dude, these guys drive like a bunch of bitches. Look, we're doing.
Gas on the right, man.
Huh?
Gas on the right. Fuck it.
We're doing 29 miles per hour. We'll eventually get there. First in, last out.
If you're, if you don't arrive
If you're not first, you're fast. Is that what it was?
you can't help anyone if you don't arrive alive.
Is that a cop? Oh shit! You got punked, bitch.
It's like they don't know where they're going.
I don't know. I'm trying to eat lunch and buff. This is a little difficult, but
It's got to be the apartments up here on the left.
oh, is it apartment fire?
Engine 5's on hydrant. I don't hear a size of it. Shit. Oh, man, you're the first new fucking truck. Go!
Wait, 5 engine was first, too?
I don't know, man.
All right. Come on, baby. Oh
I mean,
shit!
literally driving.
Oh, there we are.
They're driving so fucking.
Ah, we're here.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, you guys got beat by the volunteers, son. Where should we park? Where should we park?
Is it on fire?
I don't know.
They're not really doing anything.
Oh shit!
What the hell is going on?
Should we park here in Buffalo?
You got traffic, yeah.
Oh shit! You got buff, son.
Oh shit!
Oh shit, dude, we're going deep.
They're not.
Dude, we're going deep, man.
Dropping line. I think we're good.
You think this is it? False call? Oh shit. Hold on, I might hit a car. Hold on. Oh shit. Nothing? False call? Should we leave? What did you say?
Bring a meter? No.
What is this, a fucking gas leak?
That's bullshit.
Alright. Whatever. Baltimore County blows. Alright, we're headed to the city for a job. Hopefully a blaze comes in. We can be first fucking due. We'll be in the bone zone. We're gonna see the old 8x10 out there.
Big town for life.
Pigtown powerhouse. At Brotherhood Buffs. I've had enough.